Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Remothered Tormented Fathers game on PC via the Steam launcher for free. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store, search for Remothered Tormented Fathers game and then click on this game. Now scroll down and here you will see get Remothered Tormented Fathers game free to keep when you get it before 9th June 2026. So if you download this game before 9th June 2026, then you can keep this game to your account forever. So click on add to account button, then click on click to install now, and here you will see Remothered Tormented Fathers 10.28 GB. So click on install button. Now go to library and here you can see that Remothered Tormented Fathers game is getting installed on my PC. So this is how you can also download and install Remothered Tormented Fathers game for free with the Steam launcher. And if you download this game before 9th June 2026, then you can keep this game in your account forever. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.